By 2050, there will be more plastic in the ocean than fish. The new collection, Infinity Nature, is about the connection between Mother Earth and the individual, about nature conservancy. In these videos, I will detail sustainable fabrics, which will help us take care of ourselves and of our planet. Recycled polyester, PET, gives a second life to a non-biodegradable material that would otherwise end up in landfills or the ocean. According to the NGO Ocean Conservancy, 8 million metric tons of plastic enter the ocean every year, on top of the estimated 150 million metric tons that currently circulate in marine environments. Taking plastic waste and turning it into useful material is very important for humans and our environment. My concern with many of these materials is the associated microfiber or microplastic pollution and the fact that many of these materials do not biodegrade harmlessly. PET is just as good as virgin polyester, but takes fewer resources to make. Recycled polyester is almost